Check it out, guys. Beautiful color on this car. We got you this sexy, sexy Porsche V6 twin turbo. Let me let you guys hear what it sounds like before. You can't even hear it. Come on. Why? It's quiet. Good Lord. Rev it. Rev it. Is it even a Porsche? Look, doesn't even sound like a Porsche. It's on. Here's sound decibels. Right at 78. Most of it is road noise. This is insane. We're gonna change that. It's too quiet. 2023 burnt orange Porsche Cayenne S Platinum twin turbo 2.9 liter V6. Look at this thing. It's pushing like 500 horsepower, 460, something like that. Crazy. It's a good looking car. Got some nice wheels on it. I like the color of it. Let me show you guys what we did. So there's a downpipe on it. We didn't touch anything up there. It's still got the cats. We took off the first resonator, took off the second resonator and put a Y pipe in its place because it was dual outlet. Took out the third muffler and put dual pipes out the back on this beautiful beast. As you guys can see, there and there. Came out nice and clean. Ready for action. There's the factory resonator there, second resonator there, and huge muffler there. Cut it all off and replace it.
All right, guys, got a 2018 Porsche Cayman. I think it's Cayman S. Anyways, we put a axle back system on it. So factory converters are, I'm assuming, somewhere shoved up there. Can't see it. Covers a lot of everything. Duals all the way down. And this is where we put the kit on. It's called a Soul kit. I couldn't find a part number on the box or anything like that. So I'll try to look it up, see if we can't get a descriptor for you guys. There it is right there. Almost kind of looks like two vibrant resonators there and there. The quad tips out the back. Looks nice. There it is there. Let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
The moment of truth. Here we go. Let's hear this beast. Now it's got some sound. So now at idle, it's 84.2 or 86 at idle. All right, give it gas. Need a custom downpipe. You know what that is? Comes off the turbo. Where the cats are, and they put high flow cats in their place or no cats. I'll send you to a place. Again? That sounds a lot better though. It's got some sound to it. The white pipes. There's the pop. Again? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Remember, it won't let us go over 3,500 RPM because of the rev limiter inside.
Can we put it in sport?
Put it in sport! So my guy's putting it in sport mode now. Let's see if it changes the sound. Maybe it takes the rev limiter out. There we go. A little bit better. It's gonna have some barbels once it takes off. It's better. Is it up? Does it go any higher or no?
Yeah, it won't go in full.
Yeah.
Boy, it sounds louder.
Yeah. Go ahead and back it up. Sorry for the hammering, guys. They're hammering again at the construction site. They're getting them done though. We're almost done. It's almost over.
Nasty color.
Yeah.
So hit it now.
Go ahead. Cayenne S. I like it. Right when he buys them, he brings them to us. This is his 5th car, guys. He can't drive it too with it being quiet. It's not the same.
Waiting. There you go. It's clean. Oh, that was the old stuff we cut off by the way. Sound decibels. 97 was the peak. I don't know what it was before. We didn't do a before video.
Look at that spoiler, guys, on it. It popped up after we gave it a launch. We enjoyed it, man. It was good. I taught him how to launch this thing, guys. So let's see. Look at him. Anyways, I taught him how to do a launch. So let's see if he can do it. All right, guys? Let's see. This beautiful Porsche Cayenne S twin turbo that we just fully straight piped, and he's gonna go do a down pipe on it next. Man, that sounds sick. Woo. Beast mode. Enjoy it, guys. That was a lot of fun. We went for a ride. It was a lot of fun.